crib as usual.
I gotta have a good snooze.
Garm, fine, let's get up. WEBE got a problem.
Fuck yourself, John. I hate alarm clocks.
I try and try again to make you help, but you are not helpable. Garfield, did you forget to pay the bills again?
I'm a cat, John, that's not what I do.
The government is threatening to bomb our home and take away all my shit.
Oh fuck, not the girl.
Yup, it's all gonna be gone. We got to evacuate the premises.
Save the Lasagna. Leave every border jumping mud behind.
Get the fuck out of here. Garm Fiend, you left the Lay's chips.
John, who gives a fuck about the homosexual shit brand?
I got to save the chips.
Fine, but grab the hamburger helper while you're at the fuck base. Rip Green. This is all your fault, human, they not. You're going into orbit, you stupid fuck.